Hello everyone, my name is Arthur Mahata, register number UR15CH051. Today I am doing my second C++ lab experiment. Today's topic is structures. The first question is create a structure called time. Its three members, all type in should be called hours, minutes and seconds. Write a program that prompts the user to enter a time value in hours, minutes and seconds. This can be in 12:59:59 format. For each number can be entered at a separate prompt, enter hours and so forth. The program should then store the time in a variable of type struct time and finally print out the number of seconds represented by the time value. Long total secs is equal to t1.hours into 3600 plus t1.minutes into 60 plus t1.seconds. Now we'll see the code. First, we declare the header function. Then we declare the structure which is named time, and it has got three members: hours, minutes, and seconds, all of integer type. Then we start the main method in which we create the structure t1, which is of type time. Now we'll ask the user to enter the hours, and it will be entered in t1.hours, and then the minutes, it will be stored in t1.minutes. Then the second, it will be stored in t1.seconds. Then the times it will be displayed according to the format, and then the total seconds is calculated by the formula t1.hours into 3600 plus t1.minutes into 60 plus t1.seconds. Finally it will display the total seconds. Now we'll see the output of the code. Enter hours, so 12 minutes 59, again the seconds 59. So it is displaying the time as according to the format, and the total seconds is 46,799. So this shows that the program is executing correctly. Now we'll see the next question. The next question is create a structure called employee that contains two members and an employee number type int and the employee's compensation in dollars type float. Ask the user to fill in this data for three employees. Store it in three variables of type struct employee and then display the information for each employee. Now we'll see the code. Okay, first we'll declare the header file, iostream and using namespace std. Then we'll create the structure employee which has two members, num which is integer type and compensation which is of float type. Then we'll start the main method. In main method we'll create a structure array which is of the type employee. Then we'll start the loop to take input in the structure array. First, we'll ask to enter the number of the employee, which will be stored in e of I.num, and then ask the user to enter the compensation of employee, which will be stored in e of I.compensation. Then we take another loop to display the number of the employees and the compensation of employees, which is displayed as e of I.num and e of I.compensation. Now to see the code of the program. Enter number of employee 123, compensation 1000. Number of second employee is 456. His compensation is 1500. So enter number of employee 3 789 and his compensation is 2000. So it is displayed that the number of employee 123, his compensation is $1000. For employee 2 456 and his compensation $1500. Employee 3 number 789 and his compensation is $2000. This shows that the code is working correctly. So this is the end of the program. Thank you very much for seeing.